Welcome. In front of me I have TCL 25G, and today I'll show you a couple camera tricks. So let's open the camera, and at the first I will talk about the features that we can find in the settings, and after that about modes and things that we can use when you got modes. I mean the features that we have in the normal modes like photo, video or slow motion, for example. So let's open the camera and let's open the settings. At the first, we can simply scroll down, and here we get the first interesting option. There's the volume button function. We can use it as shutter, zoom, or the volume. Let's change to the zoom and take a look right now what is going to happen when we go for the photo mode and click volume up button. As you can see right now, we can smoothly zoom in to the 10 times. And the same with when you want to zoom out. Just click and hold that volume button. You can also use it as a shutter. Here we got another option. There's called touch to capture. So when you enable it, and then when you tap on your screen wherever you want, the photo will be taken. As you can see, there it is. We can also add grid lines. And grid lines help us to take better composition of the photos. As you can see, this lines appears right here on the screen. We can enable or disable the shutter sound. And when you insert the SD card to your phone, when you click here, you'll be able to move location of your photos and videos to the SD card, or also the vice versa. There's another option, there's called the watermark. So when you enable it, just like that, and take a photo, for example, of this plant, on the left bottom corner, you will get that mark that the photo was taken on the TCL 25G, and it's called the display greatness. Okay, so that's honestly all from the settings. And right now, when we are in the modes, we are going to start from the photo mode. And the first, we can add timer, so we can go for the 2, 5 or 8 seconds. When you select 2 seconds and click on the shutter, after 2 seconds this photo will be taken. Let's turn it off, and when you tap on the right upper corner, we can quickly add filters. As you can see here, we get the preview how it looks. So let me show you on the plant how the colors changed. So as you can see right now, that's how photos looks with the different themes, with the different filters. When we click on the screen and we get this sun icon, we can move the sun to the bottom or up to change brightness level on our photos. When you go for the video mode, we can activate image stabilization by tapping right here. We can also mute voice when we record, and when we tap, we can also adjust brightness level. Here we can find the super night mode. So when you are outside and it's not a lot of light, we can use the super night mode to get more light on the photos. Here we get the pro mode. You can change ISO. There we get the shutter speed, white balance or focus. If you don't know how to use that mode, we got another video on our YouTube channel where you can find it, how to use that mode. In the more modes, we can find slow motion, super macro or high pixel. So take a look when I'm going to take a photo of this plant with high pixel mode. Let's see what is the difference. I bet that we will get better quality and the more details. I'm going to remove all of these filters. Okay, right now let's take a So this one was taken with the normal mode and it looks like that. The photo was really nice. When you go for the high pixel, as you can see right now, we can go much closer and we got more details. As you can see, we can take a look for this part right here. Oh, let me just go back. Take a look here in this place and then compare to this one on the high pixel. And this place, it looks definitely better. When you're in the super macro, you can also use it, but honestly, it's better to go for the highest resolution and then crop your photo instead of using this weak lens. So I don't recommend you to use it because it's useless for some reasons. And when you tap right here on this icon, you will be able to upload the Google Lens. And for example, if you are looking for something, maybe let's take photo of this sensor. When you get this blue dot, it means that the object was recognized and we are able to click on the shutter. And as you can see, there's the search, there's the search, and there's the motion sensor. You can also change the size of the picture here. If you want to buy that stuff, you can go for the shopping. And when we tap right here, we can get it from the AliExpress. So the Google Lens is a very useful feature. And basically, that's all from the camera tricks that you can use when you have TCL 25G. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.